This is the independent Ghana. Unknown individuals have tampered with high-tension towers, causing at least 8 of them to collapse and disrupt power supply in the affected areas. Now, communities in the Ashanti region are currently facing power outages following an act of vandalism targeting the Electricity Company of Ghana, ECG. The affected high-tension line, which runs from Awomaso BSP to Echao substation in Ejoso, has impacted communities such as Bekwai, Anyankwanta, Kumewu, Antua Krom, Manson Kwanta, Jacobu Sanfo Edium, Ejoso, Onye, Besiase, Asoche, Abankro, Baro, and surrounding regions. In a statement on Tuesday, March 19, 2024, ECG assured affected customers that their engineers are currently working diligently to resolve the issue and also restore power supply. That will be all for now. My name is Abigail Chumwa. I'm Duo. To subscribe to this channel for more updates and for more news, visit tigpost.co.